Today I'll show how to buy shares of CK Asset Holdings Ltd, a Hong Kong property developer listed on the HKEX under ticker 01113 HK. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice, so always do your own research. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker 01113 HK to find CK Asset Holdings Ltd. Make sure you select the HKEX listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview, sector details on the price chart to confirm it matches CK Asset Holdings Ltd. Double check that the exchange is HKEX and the ticker shows 01113 HK. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your CK asset position will appear in your portfolio for easy monitoring. Check the description for the link to eToro if you want to follow the same process.